हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऑफ सरस्वती एजुकेशन ग्रुप भादराजून। ये मैं आज आप लोगों के लिए क्लास 6 का सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स का एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3.6 का क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट का सी पार्ट लाया हूँ, है ना। एक्चुअली अप टू दिस पार्ट मीन्स आर पार्ट ए एंड बी आई हैव ऑलरेडी taught you in our video number 1 and this is our video number 2. Okay, so what is that? Actually in this question number first, we have to find out what? Find the HCF of the following numbers. Find the HCF of the following numbers. Find the HCF of the following numbers. We have to find out the HCF of the following numbers. Okay, so what we will do is part C. Question number first and our part C is what? 18 and 60. We have to find out the HCF of 18 and 60. And part D is what? Part D is 27 and 63. 27 and 63. Part E is what? Part E is 36 and 84. 36 and 84. Okay. Part F is what? Part F is 34 and 102. Okay. Part F is 34 and 102. Part G is what? Part G is 70, 105, 70, 105 and 175. Okay. So what we will do is we will start with our part A, which is 18 and 60. First we will factorize our 18. 18 is what? 18 is, listen, this is our 18 and here unit place digit is 8 and here 0. So we will divide it by, as you know very well, divisibility rule of 2. The number whose unit place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are divisible by 2. Hence this number contains 8 as its unit place digit, hence it will be divisible by 2. So we will divide this number by 2. What we will get is 2 9 ja 18. After that we will divide by 3. 3 3 ja 9. Again by 3. 3 1 ja 3. Okay. Now here what we will do is 60. We will take 60. Now unit place digit is 0. We will divide by 2. 2 3 ja 6 and 0. Again by 2 because unit place digit is 0 again. Okay. 2 1 ja 2. 2 5 ja 10. Now what we will do is again we will divide by 3. 1 plus 5 is 6. 3 5 ja 15 and now by 5. 5 1 ja 5. Okay. Now what we will do is we will see the HCF. So what is there? 18 2 to the power 1 multiplied with 3 to the power 2 multiplied with 3 to the power 2, and here this is 60. What we will do is 62 2 to the power 2. Here 2 is coming 2 times, hence 2 to the power 2. 3 is coming 1 time, hence 3 to the power 1, and into 5 is coming 1 time, 5 to the power 1. So our HCF is what? Our HCF is equals to, here 2 is common in both the numbers, so we will take 2, and we have to take 3 is also common, so we will take 3. Now what we will do is we will take the smaller power. So here power is 1, here power is 2, smaller one is 1, so we will take 1 only. Okay, here 2, here 1, smaller one is 1 only. So this is 2 into 3 equals to 6. Okay, now here we will get our HCF as 6. We will go for our part D. What is part D? 27. Listen, this is our part D and whose 27 and 63. The two numbers are 27 and 63, whose HCF we have to evaluate. Okay, so what we will do is we will factorize 27 first. This is 27 and here we are seeing 2 plus 7 is 9, hence this number is divisible by 3. So 3 9 ja 27, again by 3, 3 3 ja 9, again by 3, 3 1 ja 3. Okay, now we will go for 63. So what we will do is, here we will divide this by this number by 3, because 6 plus 3 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3, again by 3, 3 7 is 27, again by 7, 7 1 is 7. Okay, here 27 equals to 3 to the power 3, and what is there, 63 equals to 3 to the power 2 into 7. So what we will get is, this is 3 to the power 2. Okay, here we are only seeing that our 3 is common and the smaller power is 2, hence our answer is 3 to the power 2 means 9. Okay, this is our answer, 9 is our answer. Hence our HCF of 27 and 63 is what, is 9. Okay, so we will go for our part E, and our part E is what, part E is 36. We will take factors of 36. So here our unit place digit is 6, we will divide it by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. Okay, again by 2, 2 9 ja 18, again by 3, 3 3 ja 9, again by 3, 3 1 ja 3. Okay, we will go for our what, we will go for, this was 36 of part E, and now we will go for 84, and after, before that we will rub for creating some space. Okay, here this part we have clearly understood, no problem is there in this part. Okay, so what we will do is, we will take, now we will factorize our 84 over here. This is our 84, we will divide it by 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, again by 2, 2 2 ja 2 1 ja. Okay, again by 3, 3 7 ja 21, and again by 7, 7 1 ja 7. Okay, now what we will do is, we will take HCF. Okay, 36, 2 2 ja 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. Now this is 84, and what is 84? 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1 into 7. Okay, so what we will do is, we will take HCF now, and what is our HCF? This is common 2, now this is also common, so this is here 3, and 7 is not common. Okay, so we will not take 7. Now we will take the smaller power, so 2 is smaller one, because both the numbers contains 2 only. Okay, here 3 to the power 1 is smaller one, so we will take 1. 2 to the power 2 is 4 into 3, 4 3 is 12. This is our answer. Okay, this was our HCF, which is 12. Got it? Next one is what? What is that? We will go for our part F, which is this one. Okay, we will rub this part E. We will go for our part F, which is 34. Okay, so 2, we will divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, now this is 14, 2 7 are 14. Okay, now this is 17, because 17 is a prime number, no other number will divide 17, so 17 1 are 17. Okay, this is 102. Okay, now we will divide it by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2. Okay, here by 3, because 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 is divisible by 3, so 3 1 are 3, and here it is 2, this is 21, 3 7 are 21. Now this is 17, 17 1 are 17. Okay, so here what we will get is 34. HCF of 34, 2 into 17 is 34. Okay, 102. So what is that? This is 17 into 3 to the power, listen, 2 is also there, so 2 to the power 1 again into 17 into 3. Now our HCF is what? our HCF is 2 to the power 1 into 17 to the power 1. 17 to the 34. Okay, so our HCF is 34 in our part A. Now I am going to rub all these parts and go for our next one, which is most probably which is G, and after that H. Okay, so we will go for our part G, which is our part G is what? Part G is 70. Okay, we will factorize our 70. So what we will get is 2. 2 3 ja 6, and after that this is 1. Now this is 10. 2 5 the 10. Okay, here our unit place this is 5, hence this number divisible by 5. 5 7 ja 35, 7 1 ja 7. Okay, now factorization of our 70 will be 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1 into 7 to the power also 1. Okay, now we will go for 105. 105. Okay, our unit place digit is 5, and sum of all digits is 6, hence this number is also divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Now this is 15. 3 5 are 15. 5 5 7 are 35. 7 1 are 7. Okay, so here we are seeing that this number is fully divided by divisible by what? 3 5 and 7. So factors of our 105, I am just going to write it over here. Factors of 70 are 2 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 1. Okay, factors of our 105 are 3 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1. 3 is not over here, so we will write it somewhere else, not below any number over from the factorization of 70. Okay, this is 3, this is 5 to the power 1, and again this is 7 to the power 1. Now we will go for 175. Now we will go for factorizing 175. Then what we will get is, this is 175 and unit place digit is 5. Okay, so we will divide it by 5. 5 3 ja 15, and this is 25. 5 5 ja 25. Okay, 5 3 ja 15. After that we will get 2, so this is 25. 5 5 ja 25. Again by 5. 5 7 ja 35. Again by 7. 7 1 ja 7. Okay, so this is 175. Now what we will do is 5 to the 2. So here 5 to the 2 into 7 1 ja 7 to the power 1. Okay, now our HCF is what? Our HCF is common is 5 and common is 7 also. 7 to the 5 to the 1, 7 to the 1. This is 35. Our HCF is 35. Okay, now this was our part G. We will now go for our part which? We will go for our part H, if H is there. Okay, so what we will get is, okay, our part H is what? Question of first part H is 91, 112 and 49. 91, 112 and 49. Okay, so this is our 91, and when we will factorize it, what we will get is, listen, actually if we will divide this number, then what we will get is 13. Okay, listen, actually this number is not divisible by 2 because of our unit place digit is 1, hence the number is not divisible by 2. Okay, now we will go for 3. This number is also not divisible by 3. Okay, go for 4, not divisible by 4. Okay, and now we will go for 5. This number is not divisible, also not divisible by 5. Okay, now we will go for 6. Number is not divisible by 6. number is not divisible up to 11. Okay, so we will divide it by 13, or we will divide, if we will divide it by 7, then it will be divisible by, okay, 7 1 ja 7, and because no divisibility rule is there for 7, we have to check manually, so I am just checking. Okay, and what you will get is 7 1 ja 7, so we will left with 2. Now this is 21, 7 3 ja 21. Okay, this is 13. Now 13 1 ja 13. So factors of R91 are 7 into 13. Okay, now we will go for R112, 112. We will divide this number by 2. So 2 5s are 10. After that, this is 12. 2 6s are 12. Now we will again divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4, and 2 8s are 16. Now again we will divide by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Okay, again by 2. So we are continuously dividing it by 2 because of our unit place digit is like this only. Okay, so 2 7 ja 14, 7 1 ja 7. Okay, now this is our 1 1 and 2, and our factors are 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4. Okay, and 7 to the power 1, 7 to the power 1. Okay, now what we will get is 49. We will factorize our 49, then 7 7 ja 49, and 7 1 ja 7. Okay, so what is our 49? Our 49 is 7 to the power 2. Now this is, now what is there? 7 is common among all, so our HCF is what? HCF is 7 and to the power 1. Okay, hence our HCF is 7 only. Got it? Because only 7 is common, no other number is common, so that we will multiply 7 with. Okay, this is our question number first and part H. Now we will go for next, which is part I. Question number first and our part I is question number first and our part I is 18 54 81. 18 54 and 81. 18 54 and 81. Okay, and our part J, I am just going to write over here. Our part J is what? Part J is 12 45 75. Part J is 12 45 and 75. 12 45 and 75. Okay, so what we will do is we will take our 18 and factorize it. Okay, prime factorization should be there. So 2 9s are 18. After that 3 3s are 9. After 3 1s are 3. Okay, now we will go for 54. What we will do is 3. Okay, we will take 3. We can take 2 also, because the unit place digit is 4. So 2 2s are 4. After that 2 7 ja 14. After that we will divide it by 3. 3 9 ja 27. After that 3 3s are 9, and 3 1 ja 3. Okay, now we will go for division of 81. Okay, here I am seeing 3. 3 2s are 6, and this is 2. 3 7 ja 21. Okay, again by 3 3 9 ja 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1 ja 3. So here we are seeing our HCF in our last question. Our HCF was what? 7, and in this part I, our HCF is what? HCF is 18 equals to 2 3 3. 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, and 54 2 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 3. 2 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 3, and 81. Here this is 3 to the power 4. Hence our HCF is what? HCF is 3 is common and the smallest number is 2. 3 to the power 2 means 3 into 3 means 9. Our HCF is what? Our HCF is 9. Okay. Hence our HCF is 9. And this is all the parts which are H. And this was our question number first complete. We will go for our question number second, which is which is question number second. Find the HCF of two consecutive. Okay. Question number second is what is the HCF of two consecutive of TW2 consecutive. What is the HCF of two consecutive? Okay, first is numbers. Number A is numbers, BERS, numbers. Number B is what? Even numbers. And number C is odd numbers. Number C is odd numbers. Okay. 3.6 question number second. What is the HCF of two consecutive? Listen. This is what is the HCF of two consecutive. First one is numbers. What is the HCF of two consecutive? First one is numbers. So listen, actually two consecutive numbers are there. Every time whenever we will take two consecutive numbers, we will only get two numbers, which is first one is even, second one is odd. Okay, like that. This is 2, this is 3, this is even, this is odd. 4 and 5, this is even, this is odd, like this only. Okay, first number will be even and second number will be odd only. Okay, now what we'll do is actually whenever we will take HCF of one odd number and second one is even number, and numbers are coming just consecutively. Okay, then we will get only one as common. Okay, so HCF will be part A is HCF of two consecutive numbers is always equals to 1. Okay, and second one is even numbers. If we are seeing two consecutive even numbers, first one is 2, second one is 4, other one is 6 and 8. Then here we are seeing that if we will take two consecutive, then 2 is common. हाँ जी, देखो भाई, ये दिया आपके नंबर्स, उसके बाद फिर है इवन नंबर्स, फिर ऑड नंबर्स, ठीक। तो पहले HCF ऑफ टू कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर्स है 1। नेक्स्ट है आपके इवन नंबर्स। तो देखो इवन नंबर्स की बात करते हैं, ये कंसेक्यूटिव इवन नंबर्स हैं 2 2 2 2 4 2 3 6 2 4 8। ये कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर्स हैं, इनमें सभी में गैपिंग कितने का है? 2 का है ना, 2 का गैपिंग है। मुझे मालूम है कि 2 में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 4 4, और फिर 2 में 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो कितना है आपका 6, फिर 2 में 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 8। हेंस HCF ऑफ टू कंसेक्यूटिव इवन नंबर्स, HCF of two consecutive HCF of two consecutive even numbers HCF of two consecutive even numbers equals to what? HCF of two consecutive even numbers is always 2. Okay. Next one is odd numbers. 3 is a odd number and 5 is a odd number, 7 is a odd number. No factor is common in between these two. If between two numbers no factor is common, then HCF is always 1. Hence HCF of two consecutive odd numbers equals to HCF of two consecutive odd numbers is always equals to 1. Okay. Next one is this was our question number 2. Okay, now we will go for our part third or question number 3. Question number 3 is what? Next one is third, and third one is what? Third one is HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. HCF of co-prime numbers, HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15, HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows. HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. Factorization. FACTORISATION by factorization. 4 equals to 2 into 2 and 15 equals to 3 into 5 since there is no common prime factor, there is no common since there is no common prime factor, since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? Is the answer correct? Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? If not, what is the correct HCF? What is the correct HCF? Okay, so we have discussed it in our previous question that if our HCF is, listen, if our HCF is not coming from the common factors, then it is always 1. Okay, here no factor is common in these two, but 1 is always common. 1 is always common, hence the HCF is 1. So our HCF is what? HCF of 4 and 15. HCF of 4 and 15 is always 1. Okay, or will be 1. Good. Okay, here exercise ends and we will take our next question in our next video.